A quiet lake killed 1 of 700 people while they slept. August 21st, 1986. Lake Nyos sits in a volcanic crater in Cameroon. For years, CO2 seeps from the earth below and dissolves deep underwater. One night, the lake flips. Cold and warm water swap layers instantly. Millions of tons of CO2 burst free in seconds. A 160-foot wave of gas rolls downhill at 45 mph. It suffocates 1,700 people and 3,500 animals in one night. And if stories like this blow your mind, hit subscribe. A peaceful lake. 1,700 lives gone before sunrise. Follow for more wild stories. One spot on Earth gets struck by lightning 280 nights a year. Lake Maracaibo, Venezuela. Warm, wet air funnels between the Andes Mountains every single evening. It creates the same storm, in the same place, night after night. Sailors in the 1500s used this storm as a lighthouse. No electricity needed. Nature provided the beacon for 500 years. Up to 40,000 strikes hit in one night. It fires 280 nights per year. It is the most electric place on the planet. And if stories like this blow your mind, hit subscribe. The same lightning storm, every night for 500 years. Follow for more wild stories. Ice flowers bloom in -40 degrees in just 3 minutes. The Arctic Ocean. A fresh sheet of ice forms overnight. Air temperature drops to -40 degrees. The conditions for something extraordinary are ready. The ice is not just beautiful. Each flower holds salt and bacteria at 10 times normal ocean concentration. They are living chemical factories. Thousands bloom per square yard. They reach full size in minutes. One field covers hundreds of square miles of Arctic ice. And if stories like this blow your mind, hit subscribe. Nature builds a crystal garden in minutes at -40. Follow for more wild stories. A 1,720-foot wave hit Alaska. Boats surfed over the treetops. July 9th, 1958. Lituya Bay, Alaska. A 7.8 earthquake shakes loose 90 million tons of rock from a nearby cliff at 11 p.m. 3 fishing boats sit in the bay. The wave hits. 2 boats ride 1,720 feet of water like a surfboard. Both crews survive. The wave strips trees 1,720 feet up the mountain. That scar is still visible today from the air. It remains the tallest wave ever recorded. And if stories like this blow your mind, hit subscribe. A 1,720-foot wall of water. 2 boats survived it. Follow for more wild stories. One tornado grew 34 miles wide and hit 302 mph winds. May 31, 2013. Western Oklahoma. A supercell thunderstorm drops a tornado near El Reno at 6 p.m. Meteorologists are watching closely. The tornado keeps growing. It sprouts smaller vortices spinning around it. The total debris field stretches 34 miles across in minutes. Peak winds hit 302 mph. The core is 2.6 miles wide. It is the largest and fastest tornado ever directly measured on U.S. soil. And if stories like this blow your mind, hit subscribe. The widest tornado ever recorded on American soil. Follow for more wild stories. A river runs 5 miles inside a mountain, emptying into the sea. Palawan Island, Philippines. A limestone mountain rises from the jungle. Inside, a full river has carved 5.5 miles of tunnels over millions of years. The ocean fights back. Twice a day, saltwater tides push upstream into the cave. 1 river, 2 water sources, 0 sunlight. Its biggest chamber is 980 feet wide. The river runs for 5.5 miles in complete darkness. It drains into the South China Sea every single day. And if stories like this blow your mind, hit subscribe. 5 miles of river, Zero sunlight. Still flowing. Follow for more wild stories. The driest place on Earth has a river that never stops. Northern Chile. The Atacama Desert. Some spots record 0.03 inches of rain per year. A few areas have had no rain for decades. The desert soil matches Mars so closely that NASA tests rover tech here. It is the most Mars-like place on Earth, and it has a river. The Loa River runs 275 miles through the driest desert on the planet. Zero rain falls in some zones for 40 years. The river never cares. And if stories like this blow your mind, hit subscribe. No rain for 40 years. One river still flowing. Follow for more wild stories. One volcano erupted nonstop for 8 months and changed history. June 8, 1783. Iceland. A 16-mile-long crack opens in the earth. It spews lava, ash, and sulfur dioxide without stopping for 8 months straight. The sulfur cloud drifts to Europe. Crops fail. Winters turn brutal. Historians believe it helped destabilize France before the French Revolution. Laki kills 1/4 of Iceland's population. It pumps 122 million tons of sulfur into the sky. One volcanic crack, one continent-wide catastrophe. And if stories like this blow your mind, hit subscribe. 8 months of fire, 1/4 of Iceland gone. Follow for more wild stories.